Hi guys, about noon here on a Saturday. Saturday, June 6th, as a matter of fact. I am John in Tucson. That's me. Once again, thank you to Gerard in Ireland for making that lovely branding for me. I kind of like it. It's basic, it's silly, but it's me. At any rate, I just uploaded a video to my YouTube channel. It's a rather serious one talking about cancer. This video, however, is going to be about Regine Velasquez again. Of course, my favorite. Your favorite, obviously. You love her too. This is the Barry Manilow medley. I don't know when it was recorded. I want to say it was the mid-90s, maybe early 2000s. I will, of course, include a link to the video that I will be using for this reaction in the description of my video. Again, I'm not monetized. This is not my video. I don't own it. All rights to the copyright owner. This is strictly fair use for education. I want to go ahead and share this singer with you, obviously, and so that's what I'm going to do. I made a previous video on this probably about a month ago using a very crude, rudimentary system of recording at a big monitor using my iPad. It just didn't work. So I'm going to redo it, this time using OBS, and we'll go from there. At any rate, let's give this a shot and see where it goes, because I only woke up about an hour ago. Got bad news, and then we're moving on to a reaction video. Go figure. There's life. All right, let's get this done. Let me switch things over. Hello, John in Tucson. Goodbye, John in Tucson. Oh, we don't want Betty. Nope. Sorry. I'm watching Feud on Amazon Prime Time, so that's why you saw that. All right, let's get this going. Click. Starts with the black screen. And it's in. This is a beautiful arrangement, by the way.
Spirits move me every time I'm near, running like a cycle in my mind. Passive Peter, angel of my lifetime, answer to all answers I can find. Last night I waved goodbye. Now it seems years.
Great bass line.
I'm back in the city when nothing is here but thoughts of me holding you, bringing us here. And tell me, when will our eyes meet? When can I touch you? When will the strong yearning end? And when will I hold you again? I feel a change coming.
Nice long phrase.
I feel the wind blow. I feel the break and tearing. I feel my blood flow. With you, I can bring out all the love that I have. For you, there's a heaven so earth and so
That's our girl, isn't it? Let me get back to this lovely thing. There we go. Wow. Our vocal control and phrasing is simply astonishing in this particular video. My gosh. Again, I go back to whoever arranged this did a brilliant job putting this medley together. Because Manilow songs, as a rule of thumb, just by themselves are so well arranged and put together. And to be able to link these together like the arranger did on this particular video is pretty darn amazing. I love this. I love this video. Have for a long time. Again, I will put the link to this video in my description. Again, I'm not monetized. I'm not making a dime on this. This video belongs to the original owner. Okay? Not me. Not JohnInTucson, but the original owner, and I will put that in the description. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, or just walk away. Doesn't matter. You guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.